Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na ka Seng Congress na ka binta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
National President ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP JP Nada ha khatsan tarik urumphang ula Pyllait Paidbah ikimat Treikam Jong ka Seng kabala Kyrteng empower Meghalaya ha kabalaya dan ringkat lang President ka BJP Meghalaya upa Ernest Mauri nang ta upa Sanbor Shulai pa AL Hek pa upa HM Shangpliang kabala long hatach Vivanta Shillong hapo ka tin pira Modi bat ka Meghalaya Unada uloong bakane ka mat Treikam ka kinthut biki AKA ki ba ka BJP kan le nakabenta ka jala lada ka BJP ka wan ha ka board katu kat nie nakini ki kinthop ya ka jing Treikam jong ka 7th pay commission ka jing sir tulop ikinong tre ha ka por ka babyang ka jing pinpoy jong ka PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme da ar ha jating ka bat kiwe pat ki scheme ban kintiyo ikiriu kan thai ba ki khanarin.
We will also launch a scheme called as Jugi Silchi, a support scheme. And in this support scheme, a financial assistance of 24,000 annually to all dependent widows and single mothers will be given. So those who are deprived, those who are widows, those who are single mothers, for them we have tried to see to it that their empowerment should be there and they should be brought into the mainstream, and that is why we have decided. Another aspect which we have decided is that we will be giving annually 2 LPG gas cylinders to the people, to the beneficiaries who are benefited out of the Ujjwala Yojana. That is also we have decided. To distribute free scooty to all meritorious college-going female students, financially weak households. We will provide 33% reservation for women in government jobs in Meghalaya. To empower the youth, we will establish Meghalaya Combined Recruitment Commission to expedite the filling of the vacancies across various departments. As far as the youth is concerned, we have decided that we will go in a big way for the youth skill development, and for that skill training a structure will be created where 3.5 lakh means 3,50,000 self-employment opportunities by setting up of 2 new SEZs and industrial area units and 1 additional IT park and banking and hospitality industries over the next 5 years. Special economic zone will be developed, and in this special economic zone for the youth empowerment, we will have industrial units, we will have additional IT park, and we will have banking and hospitality industries for the within next 5 years. And we will promote scientific mining that we would like to share with you. As far as the specific sectors are concerned, in coordination and conjunction with the central government, we will try to resolve the Meghalaya and the Assam border issue and establish permanent outposts. You see, we believe in dialogue. It's not Bharat-Pakistan. It is Assam and Meghalaya. So through dialogue, we will try to see to it, and with the support of the central government, we will see to it and resolve all the border issues, and permanent outposts will be established. We will establish a special task force under a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate all cases of corruption in Meghalaya.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing men ya kinong rap. Anda la Treikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jela lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme batmai farmers assistant for rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang John ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.